Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to change email on Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and to change your Squarespace account email, first you need to log in to your account by filling your email address and password. On this page, click on Account Settings from this corner and go to Account and Security. Below Login Info, click on Change Email Address. And before continuing, you need to verify your identity by filling your account password. Click on Login. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. This is my current email address, and to change it, I need to fill in my new one here. This is my new one, and re-enter it again. Then click on Save from this corner. As you can see, email changed successfully. Click on Back, close this window, log out from your account, and in this login page, instead of using your old email address, use your new one and hit login. And this is how to change your email address in Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.